that you're gone, I'm thinking about old times. I've waited so long for this to be
Alright guys, gym session is done. Felt really weak. Stop doing that. Wasn't my best lifting session. Can't lie about that. We have to do what we do. I mean, I kind of... See, the thing is, when I get annoyed, I seem to push myself even more, and then sometimes I just push myself too hard and then things go wrong, and you shouldn't do that. So today I actually made a conscious decision to just kind of like, no, I'm not going to be able to do what I was meant to do today, so just go and do what feels right and make sure that the form kept up to date. And just roll with it that way. Gotta eat. I was in there for like 2.5 hours. That was a really long gym session, and the time just flew by. And I think it's because the thing with this, which is what I'm not used to, is the fact that because you're lifting heavier, you take like bigger rest breaks, or at least I do, and that makes a huge difference because obviously you're in there longer. And then always when I finish, I do like little accessory work. So like today, you've seen I did like a bit of rowing, a bit more back, and then did a bit of arms and stuff. What you didn't see was I did just like a shoulder press and stuff like that. I stopped filming after a while, not for any particular reason. I wasn't getting, you know, like, I just kind of wanted to focus on getting the work done. So I had a bit of a paddy to myself, and then just put the camera down and I was like, no, you're gonna focus now.